You know, I forgot to mention earlier today as I was throwing out some videos that we are currently entering into the shadow phase of Mercury retrograde. And the shadow phase is about 2 weeks before or 2 weeks after Mercury goes into retrograde status. Mercury does go into retrograde right on April frickin' Fool's Day, April the 1st. Can't make this stuff up. And it also goes retrograde, and we are getting into a time of the eclipse season. We have a lunar eclipse coming up, and we have that very notable, powerful solar eclipse coming up too. So, this Mercury retrograde could be a double doozy. Get ready. Buckle up, Buttercup.